Hey everyone, David C. Anderson here, coming at you from the Knife Center. Welcome back to Nick's Desk. And today we've got a really cool thing to show you. It's called the Rexford Utility Tool. Let's check it out. So sometimes you've got a job that's pretty rough and you don't really want to subject your main blade to it, but you still don't really want to carry something cheap and chintzy either. And that's where this comes in. This is the RUT, the Rexford Utility Tool. So the key feature here is the utility blade. As you can see, it takes just a standard utility blade size, slides in and out of this titanium frame, and it locks into place. So you can slide it out, open up a box or a package, do a little scraping if you need to, push this back in and it slides right back into the frame. That frame is titanium and it is stone washed, comes with a maze pattern milled into the front, and you can only find this here at the Knife Center. The nice part about that stone washed finish is you can throw it in your pocket, and even if it's coming into contact with keys, loose change, anything else like that, it's not really going to show any scratches thanks to that stone washed finish. So it's going to look great for years to come. So that's what's going on at the business end of this tool. But on the other side, we've got even more features. Everybody needs a good bottle opener, and you've got one built in right here. Pop open a cold one after a long, hard day. We've also got a pry tool / flathead screwdriver, as well as a small hex driver built in here. All of the edges on here are chamfered. So even though it's slim, you're not going to be digging into your skin when you are cutting with it. So overall, this tool is really thin. It's just a bit over 1/8 of an inch thick. You can slide it in any pocket, including that little fifth pocket in your blue jeans. It'll slide right in there, take up no space, and you'll always have a blade on you when you need it most. So that's all we've got to show you today from Nick's Desk. Keep coming back and we'll show you all the new stuff just as soon as it comes in.